I want to tell you all about this shoulder construction style. I haven't used it an awful lot, but it's a really interesting seamless way of designing and of knitting a garment. It's called contiguous shoulder construction, and it's actually got a few different construction styles all blended in together. So it's top down, and this particular design is one I did with it. It's called Autumn Whispers. There's a short and a long sleeve version. So you start out by casting on your stitches across the back here, and then you have an increase down here across the back. So it's every right side and wrong side row. You can see you're really increasing very quickly, both out on this side and also out along this side. So all of those increases down along here and down along this side here are all increases every right and wrong side row. You stop when you reach the full width of the shoulder you want. So that will be from here over to here. With this one, I didn't have any other increases, but you can also have some increases across the middle of the back here. And what that does is it kind of sits it down a little lower on your shoulder. But this one, you can see it's a little bit more vertical. The back comes up a bit higher because of the fact that there are no increases across the back there. So once you've actually completed that, then at that stage, all at the same time, what you're going to do is you're going to start working on the sleeves. So you'll take what had been your increased stitches down here, the middle of it, and you're going to add a couple of stitches out on each side. And what you're mimicking with the sleeves here is a set and sleeve construction. So with that, what you'll do first of all is you want to increase very quickly first of all. So you're increasing every right and wrong side row just on the sleeves here on this side and on the other side. And then you'll slow it down so that you create the hourglass shape at the top of the sleeve, and it slows down to every right side row first of all. Then it gets from, this doesn't always happen with the contiguous method, but because I really wanted to mimic a set and sleeve, this one you space it a little bit further out, but then you reverse it as you come back into the underarm because you wanted to create a curve further out again. So first of all, you go back to every right side row for the increases on each side of your sleeves, then every right and wrong side row, and you eventually finish at the underarm, casting on some stitches across the bottom here. So what this creates is a seamless shoulder construction that will give you the same effect as kind of a set and sleeve construction, because it comes out to the edge of the sleeves and you get all of those increases to create a sleeve cap on the top, and it's all done at the same time.